Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website on Notion. First, open Notion and create a brand new page. This page will serve as the foundation for your entire website. Next, begin adding all the content you want to display, like text, images, and even embedded videos. Think about how you want to structure your information, perhaps using headings and subpages for different sections. Finally, make sure your page is publicly accessible so everyone can see your amazing work. Now, let's make your Notion website visually appealing. You can add a striking cover image and a unique icon to give your site a distinct identity. Experiment with different block types, such as callout blocks or toggle lists, to present your information in engaging ways. Notion allows you to embed content from over 50 different services, including YouTube and Google Maps, directly onto your page, adding rich media experiences for your visitors. This helps create a professional and interactive feel. Once your Notion page is looking fantastic, it's time to share it with the world. Locate the Share button at the top right corner of your page. Click it, and then toggle the Share to Web option to on. This action instantly generates a unique public URL for your website. Simply copy this URL and distribute it wherever you want your audience to find your new online presence. It's that straightforward to publish your content. To take your Notion website to the next level, explore some advanced options. While Notion provides a public URL, you can use third-party services to connect a custom domain, giving your site a more professional address. Also, always check how your website appears on different devices, especially mobile phones, to ensure a great user experience. Finally, remember to regularly update your content. Fresh information keeps your audience coming back for more. These steps help maximize your site's impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.